Great! Woody, the rocket! The match! Yes! Thank you, Sid!
All right, fine. Yeah, okay, just go. But if you could just do me a little favor.
No!
Your Highness, the Warriors called for a secret meeting to plan for circus. Circumventing.
Woody, what are you doing? Hold still, Buzz! You did it! Next stop, Andy! Wait a minute. That's just a little rocket. Rockets explode!
Look, it's Woody and Buzz coming up fast!
Woody! This isn't flying, this is falling with style. To infinity and beyond! Buzz, we missed the truck! We're not aiming for the truck.